Hi everyone, in this video, we'll talk about MetaTrader Review. MetaTrader 5 is a powerful multi-asset trading platform designed for forex, stocks, and futures trading. It's the successor to MetaTrader 4, offering more features and advanced tools for traders. Some of its pros are: first, multi-asset trading. Supports forex, stocks, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Next is advanced charting tools. 38 technical indicators, 21 timeframes, and multiple chart types. Next is algorithmic trading. Supports expert advisors for automated trading. Next is economic calendar and market depth. Provides real-time fundamental analysis. Next is hedging and netting options. Allows both hedging and netting trade systems. And faster execution. Optimized for lower latency and faster trade execution than MT4. Lastly, mobile and web access. Available on iOS, Android, and web browsers. Now, some of its cons are: first, more complex than the MT4. It has a steeper learning curve for beginners. Limited broker support. Fewer brokers offer MT5 compared to MT4. Custom indicators and EAs compatibility. MT4 indicators and EAs don't work on MT5. Lastly, requires more resources. Needs a stronger system compared to MT4. Now, who should use MT5? First is experienced traders who need advanced tools and multi-asset trading. Next is algorithmic traders who use EAs and complex strategies. And lastly, stock and futures traders, since MT5 supports centralized exchange markets. Now, MT5 is a powerful trading platform with advanced features, but it's best for experienced traders who need more than just forex trading. If you're new to trading or focus solely on forex, MT4 is still a great choice. And that's basically it.